Hi students, let's discuss the next portion of acid basis salt, that is caustic soda. How to prepare caustic soda? Let us discuss caustic soda. The formula of the caustic soda is NaOH. Correct? First remember, and it is prepared by a process called chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. Why it is called so chlor-alkali process? Because caustic soda in water, it is called as basis in water is called as alkali. So we get alkali. Along with the alkali, we also get the chlorine. That is why the name is given chlor-alkali process. So this is the name of the process by which we get caustic soda. Again, question can come why it is called chlor-alkali process. Remember, with the alkali we are getting the chlorine also. That is why it is called as chlor-alkali process. Now next is, it is prepared in Nelson's diaphragm cell. It is basically electrolytic cell. It has two portions. See, there are two portions. In one which is actually connected to the anode, the other one is connected to the cathode. There are two electrodes which are lying and which are connected to the battery. This is the end from which we add brine. What is brine? It is a solution of aqueous solution of sodium chloride plus water. It is being added into it, right? When we add sodium chloride and water, it is called as brine. So brine is being poured down into the first chamber, right? And then electricity is passed. When NaCl plus water, aqueous solution of NaCl means brine, is introduced into the electricity, right? It produces what? It produces NaOH plus hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas. Remember that. It produces NaOH, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Now, hydrogen gas, as it is positively charged, hydrogen gas is in the ionic form. It is always in the ionic form. So it has to gain electron to become hydrogen. So if we take two hydrogen ions, two electrons are given, it will become hydrogen gas. So it has to take the electron from cathode because cathode is negatively charged. So here we will get hydrogen. Remember that at cathode we will get hydrogen gas, and at the anode, see, the same way chlorine ions, they already have electrons, so they will lose two electrons to become chlorine gas, and this chlorine will gas on the anode side. Remember, this is very, very important. So basically, aqueous solution of sodium chloride, when heated, it always produces caustic soda. Along with that, chlorine is also produced. That is why it is called as chlor-alkali process. Hydrogen is also produced, but not mentioned in the name. So always remember, hydrogen is collected at cathode and chlorine is collected at anode. This also comes in the question. So the apparatus which is being utilized is Nelson's diaphragm cell. Now caustic soda is alkali in nature. It is utilized for making the detergents also. It is utilized in many different aspects as a reagent in the laboratory also. So alkalis are basically bases which can be dissolved in water. Correct? I hope it is clear. Remember, you have to make the diagram before giving the explanation of making caustic soda. That is Nelson's diaphragm cell. Thank you.